My battery's dead. Ah. Oh. Oh. What? Ooh, something just exploded. There we go, my mouse is better now. Let's go upstairs. And try this all over again. Oh yeah, I'm constantly, oh my darling. Hey, yeah, if you're grenade, you die. You go boom. It's supposed to be that. When you are in the window, you shall die. You know why? Because I said that. And you over there. When I get over there, you're gonna die. No, not yet. Now, you shall die. Oh wait, no, I need to reload. Now, you shall die. Now I run away. Now I kill you. No, die. No, don't reload. Kill that person. There you go. Kill. Shoot this MF in the head. I tell you what. Moo-ha-ki-ho-ho-ha. I shoot through the wall and you die. Did you die? You're not dead. Die already. God dang it. I said die. There you go. That's a good boy. Oh, no, you died too. No, don't stab me, you retard. Oh, he killed me. Tell them they're not supposed to be stabbing me. You all die. Including you. And you. And even you. Oh dear. Oh my darling. Oh my darling. Oh my darling. Fantastic. Whoa, something just exploded. Whoa. I tell you what, the helicopter go boom. And where's it go boom? Right about there. Ooh, pieces fly everywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna kill you. I killed you all. See? You go. Whee! Boom.
Make your funny noises, Ronto.
Ah! That's because I died. This guy's killing me. Tell him to stop. Aw, that guy killed me. And then John did.
That's nice. You know I'm recording you, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Hi, how you doing?
I'm recording you for 3 minutes.
Oh, boy.
With all those weird sound effects.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, my God. Ah, there we go.
You know, I really don't like that person because she's always saying, did you guys miss me? No.
You died. I died. And I died. Did you miss me?
No, I didn't miss you for the last time.
Die. Oh, no, don't kill me, don't kill me. You mustn't kill me. Oh, somebody kill me. Somebody try to kill me. You shall not kill me. I shall kill you. Or you can kill me if you want. Okay, you kill me.